Welcome to IQ Splash! Can you guess the movie in just 10 seconds? Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Ready? Let's play!
Start with an easy one. Which movie is this? Titanic, a famous romantic disaster movie? Can you name this movie? The answer is Harry Potter. Can you guess this movie? The answer is The Lion King. What movie do these emojis describe? Spider-Man, a superhero. Can you identify this movie? The answer is Kung Fu Panda. Can you guess the movie? Frozen, an animated adventure about two sisters, Elsa and Anna. Which movie comes to mind? It's Jurassic Park. Can you guess this classic movie? The answer is E.T., a beloved science fiction movie. What movie is hidden here? It's Finding Nemo. Can you name this movie? Toy Story, an animated adventure about toys. Which superhero movie is this? Batman, the superhero story featuring a masked hero who protects Gotham City. Can you guess this movie? The Little Mermaid, an animated story about Ariel. What movie do these emojis represent? The answer is Up. Can you identify this movie? Thor, a superhero movie. Can you guess this movie? The answer is The Hunger Games. Which movie is this? Aladdin. Can you guess this famous movie? The answer is Jaws. Which movie is this? Cars, an animated movie about racing cars? Can you name this movie? The answer is The Lord of the Ring. Can you guess this superhero movie? Captain America, a superhero story.
Thanks for watching this quiz. If you want to see more, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.